Many times we have seen the performance of a student. This is usually one of the best grades. His class does not usually keep up with him since he is 2 steps ahead. However, as a cliché, we will already be making a mental image of his physical appearance. Well, they are usually boys or girls who don't care of their appearance. But in reality, is it why they wanted to be like that, or is there something else in the background? As previously mentioned, this condition is very common in classrooms, so it is necessary to ask ourselves if a stable self-concept fully contributes to better performance. But the truth is no. The chapter that corresponds to the self-concept is one of the most interesting and educational within psychology for English teachers. In this way, the contribution and outcomes of the individual student to the learning process are explored. The first factor that we will talk about is that of the self-image. It is defined as the particular view that we have of ourselves. It presents some divisions, but the ones that most interest us to understand student behavior in class are intellectual, psychological, and abilities, or skills. And the parents, peers, and teachers of the students are involved. It is formed by experiences and relationships. CEL helps students to develop healthier and more accurate relationships. As for example, we have that we are in a good self-image if you are happy when you look in a mirror. Consequently, self-esteem, or the group of evaluative feelings associated with our self-image, elicits self-confidence, a sense of identity, and a sense of competence in students, due to external and internal factors such as social comparison, student response, and academic achievement. It is our subjective sense of overall personal worth or value, a firm understanding of one's skills. Lack of confidence leaves students doubting their ability to succeed. An understanding of one's needs and the ability to express those needs. Lastly, self-efficacy, established as the group of our beliefs about our capabilities in certain areas or related to certain tasks. Students who have it will be able to have effective learning, outcome expectancies, and behavioral intentions. Unlike their counterparts, it presents effectiveness evaluation items, and they are beliefs in the capacity, mastery of behaviors, and the ability to challenge situations. Develop deeper interest in the activities. Form a stronger sense of commitment to the interest. View challenging problems as tasks to be mastered. For example, a student who feels confident that they will be able to learn the information and do well on a test. In this way, it is necessary to answer the next questions. Is the self-conception a determiner to enhance or diminish the learning? The answer is the self-concept does contribute, but up to a certain point, because a relationship is reciprocal. Individuals' views of the world influence their self-concept, while at the same time their self-concepts affect their views of the world. Both of these views will affect their success in learning situations. The next question is, what is the reason why we have to compare with others? It is because we feel confident and competent when we notice that we are better. Finally, the last question is, why is it important to have control over events and tasks of life? It is because it allows us to control our emotions, avoiding anxiety or other problems related to confidence and life expectations, and especially in the classrooms and with the students' behaviors.